Bank-to-bank transfer allows you to move funds between your Cornerstone Bank account and a bank account you own at another financial institution. To get started, you'll need to set up a transfer path following a few simple steps. Log in to the Cornerstone Bank Mobile App and select Transfers from the top left menu. Then select Transfer Accounts, Add Account, and My Account at another financial institution. You must be an owner of the external account you'd like to add. Create a nickname to distinguish this account quickly and easily from your Cornerstone accounts. Then, enter the routing number for the financial institution. The name of the institution will display. Select the account type and enter and confirm the account number. Review the information for accuracy and select Add Account. If successful, you will receive a confirmation at the top of the screen stating the account has been added as an unverified account. In the next 3 business days, Cornerstone Bank will send 2 microdeposits to that account. Once you receive them, log into the Cornerstone app and go to the Transfer Account screen. From there, locate the new account and click Verify. Then, enter the value of each microdeposit and click Verify. Within 2 business days, a member of our customer service team will send you a secure message to confirm and approve the new bank-to-bank transfer path. Once the path is approved, your external bank account will appear in your transfer menu options and is available for transactions.